Hi guys, so are you ready to dive into one of the most flavorful and iconic dish from the world of Indo-Chinese cuisine? Today we are bringing you the ultimate recipe for a restaurant classic, beef Manchurian. This isn't just stir-fried beef, we are talking about succulent tender pieces of beef coated in a light crispy batter and then tossed in a bold spices and tangy sauce that will make your taste buds sing. It's the perfect balance of sweet, spicy and savory and a dish that truly stands out. Whether you are a fan of Indo-Chinese food or just looking for a show-stopping dish for your next dinner party, this beef Manchurian recipe is a must try. So grab your wok and your ingredients because we are about to show you how to recreate this masterpiece right in your own kitchen. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Also, do share my recipes with your loved ones so that they also can try these delicious recipes at home. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 700 grams beef, boneless and cut in long strip. Add some salt to taste. Add 1 stock cube. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 1 whole egg. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. 3 tablespoon corn flour. 1 tablespoon dark soya sauce. Then give it a nice mix. And marinate it for about 1 hour. Then in a hot pan add oil. Then simply fry the marinated beef. Fry it until the beef is nice and soft. Until the beef is nicely cooked. Cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes. So the beef is perfectly cooked now. As you can see that the beef has changed its color, make sure it is something like this. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan, add oil. Add 5 garlic cloves chopped. 1 green chili chopped. Half cup spring onion white chopped. And then fry it for a minute. Then add 2 bell peppers, add 2 onions sliced and fry it until the bell peppers and onion is nice and soft. Then add 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 2 tablespoons soya sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons sweet chili sauce, 2 tablespoons red chili sauce, 4 tablespoons tomato ketchup, and then cook the sauces for about 2 minutes. Until the sauce is slightly thick. Then add some salt to taste, add half tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 stock cube, and then cook the sauce for about a minute. Then add the cooked beef, add 1 cup water, and then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and allow it to boil. Then add handful of spring onion green and then give it a nice mix. And cook it until the sauce is nice and thick. So the beef Manchurian is ready. And there you have it guys, your very own restaurant quality beef Manchurian. Just look at that beautiful glaze and the tender pieces of beef coated in that rich spicy sauce. This dish is a true celebration of flavors and a testament of the incredible fusion of Indo-Chinese. Truly hope you enjoyed making this recipe as much as I loved sharing this with you. It's a perfect dish for a special occasion or whenever you are craving those bold takeout style flavor right at home. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.